Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to uninstall Mozilla Thunderbird in 2026. Whether you're switching to another email application or simply no longer need Thunderbird, removing the program is straightforward. So let's get started. Before uninstalling Thunderbird, make sure you back up any important emails, account data, or profile information you may need later. On Windows, open the System Settings or Control Panel and go to the Installed Applications section. Find Mozilla Thunderbird in the list and choose the Uninstall option. On Mac, open the Applications folder and remove Mozilla Thunderbird using the standard macOS uninstall process. On Linux, the removal method depends on your distribution and how Thunderbird was installed. You can usually remove it through your software manager or package management tools. Keep in mind that uninstalling the application may not always remove your personal profile data. If you want to completely remove Thunderbird data, you may need to delete the remaining profile files separately. Before doing that, make sure you have saved anything important, because deleting profile data can remove locally stored messages and settings. Once the application and any unwanted data are removed, restart your computer if necessary, and that's how to uninstall Mozilla Thunderbird. Just remember to back up important email data before removing the application or deleting its profile files. If this guide helped, make sure to like the video, and thanks for watching.